How to see first message on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your first message on your Instagram chat. Now, if you open up Instagram, you'll get an interface like this. You can simply head into your chat history by tapping on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you'll get all your chats right here. Now, if you open up a chat, you'll be able to see the chat. Now, the easiest way and the only way to see the first message on Instagram is to scroll all the way upwards, and you'll be able to see the first text there if you haven't deleted it. However, if you have deleted it, there is no way that you can get that back. However, if you haven't deleted it, you'll be able to find it right at the top if you scroll up. Now, previously there used to be an option where you tapped on this little Wi-Fi icon at the top of the screen and it will scroll itself to all the way to the top. However, this function is not available anymore on Instagram, so all you have to do is open it up and scroll all the way upwards to find the old chat. This is the only way to see the first message on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.